All right, I think it's time to get a car wash. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, how do I get this? All right, 22 months ago, my tiny corner on the internet was born. My tiny... All right, now the car is clean. And it started raining. Perfect timing. All right, let's do this. So the main reason of me starting this channel is to help myself improve. Each video are like note to myself videos telling me to improve. I always wanted to create something that I can call my own. Something that will still exist even if I'm long gone. Something that represents who I am as a person. So to tell you a quick story, I moved here to Canada 5 years ago. So before I moved here, I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a graphic designer. I'm originally from the Philippines, so I came here all by myself. I have no relatives, no friends, no family or whatsoever. But if you ever move to a different place, it feels different. New people, new place, new culture, new language, new everything, even the weather. And I'm not complaining. So it took time for me to get used to everything. The first 2 years were a struggle for me adjusting because everything is new and I was just by myself.
Can I buy some meat?
I met acquaintances, I met people here, but I still struggle to find connection with other people. And as an introvert, I'm not socially adept.
I guess this is where I should get my hair cut.
I'm usually awkward and I struggle finding connection with others. And it's kind of hard because there's a risk of you being misunderstood by people. So my 22 months of doing YouTube taught me so many things, invaluable things, which I am very thankful for, and I'm so happy that I started this in the first place. So I'm gonna talk about the lessons I've learned from starting a YouTube channel. I learned how to accept my flaws. You know, sometimes in social media, we try our best to find the right angle, find the right lighting, and find the most flattering angle we can find because we want people to look at us as perfect. But in real life, it's not really the case. We are flawed human beings and we just have to learn how to accept that. And by starting a YouTube channel, I became comfortable with myself. At first, it was hard. I try to overcome that. And with every video I make, I get comfortable doing this, which is kind of cool. And then I learned how to work with everything that I have, with every piece of equipment I have. You know, if you're gonna ask me, I want to buy more equipment like lenses or stands or lighting so I can improve my filmmaking and storytelling. But not everyone has the budget to buy all those expensive gadgets. So I learned how to work with what I have, which stretches your creativity, because if you have limited resources and you work with that, you get more creative, you think outside the box.
This is my mini YouTube studio setup. So this is my mic, and that's a boom stand here. And the cord of the mic travels along the stand, across the floor, and to my camera. I'm using a 35mm lens. I got my cheap Mount Doug lights here. I got some stand here for my phone for scripts. I got that lights over there. That's pretty much it.
Another lesson I learned is no one cares. You know, at first I was hesitant to create a YouTube channel because I was worried about what my friends or relatives will tell me if they see my channel. It's more of the fear of being judged. Before I started my channel, I was thinking, what if my friends make fun of me if they see my YouTube videos? So that held me back for a while. So when I realized that no one cares about my videos, that to me was liberating, because that means I can do whatever the hell I want with my videos without having to worry about other people. And yes, I might get haters, I might get people mocking me, friends or even strangers. But if this happens, this tells much more about them than it does about me, and for you as well, if you want to start a YouTube channel. I also learned how to focus on what I can control. When I started this channel, I was so focused on getting views and likes and comments. But the real truth is, that's beyond my control. The algorithm is out of my hands. So I learned how to focus on what I can control. I learned how to love the process of creating videos, from researching, scripting, thinking of B-roll shots, filming, editing and sound design, and thumbnail creation, photo editing, photography, all that stuff. I began to love the process of creating a YouTube video. After I hit publish, that's when I let go, because that thing after hitting the publish button is beyond my control. Whether the algorithm picks up my video or not is out of my control. So I just let go. If I get more than 100 views, awesome, I'm gonna be so happy. And if I don't, I will move on to the next video. And yes, I know it's disheartening to put 20 to 40 hours of work on a single video only to get 50 views or 80 views, but I can't control that. So I've learned how to focus on the process instead and not care about the outcome. And I learned how to be self-reliant. I learned how to root for myself. And in this world of social media, we get validation from the likes and comments of our friends or the people, and this has become the source of happiness for some. And if we don't get these likes and validation, we get sad and depressed, which is not a good thing. As human beings, we want acceptance, but we have to be self-reliant. We have to realize that nobody cares about our problems. Nobody cares about my channel. Not even my friends or neighbors or even relatives. Every one of us are worried about our own problems. Realizing all these has taught me to become my own cheerleader.
Wow! 999! From 0 to 999. Yeah.
Started from 0, now we're here.
Yeah. I'll make you a cake. What cake do you want? Blueberry? I'll make you.
Whatever you make.
I'll make you blueberry. That's your favorite? Congratulations.
It's like
It's like
a
a
minute.
Still. Congratulations!
Look at what my wife baked for me. Where's the cake? Yay! Thank you, baby. Okay, welcome to our side yard with our only furniture, that recycle bin. Okay. Do I blow this or
No.
I just let it be? How are we gonna eat this after? Can I still eat this? Oh god. Okay. I hope my eyes are still fine after this. You know what? I still have a video to edit. Happy New Year! That's it. What's up? It's October 9th, 2022, and this is my YouTube setup. I got that boom mic stand here, and I got that mic, and that's where I sit over there, and that's my computer. And we got some softbox lighting here, and that's my ancient camera. So it's just a modest setup, not too fancy, not too expensive, but it works for now. I don't have a big budget, but hopefully this will be something someday. Who knows? Okay. Well, hopefully 5 years from now, this will be something.
Some content creators rise to fame with just one viral video. But everyone's journey is unique. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is nothing for some. But for me, it was a challenging feat. It required dedication, hours of research, and finding the purpose of why I started my channel in the first place. Being famous is not my goal. All I know is I'm enjoying the journey, and I'm here for the long haul, sharing what I know to the few who wants to better themselves, the few who are willing to take responsibility and improve themselves a little bit better each day. And to close this video, let me ask you one last question. Are you one of the few?